In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide done work items in Jira. When you're working in Jira, your board or list can quickly get cluttered with tasks that are already completed. While it's useful to know that work is done, it can make it harder to focus on what's still in progress. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to hide done items so you can keep your view clean and focused on what actually needs your attention. First, make sure you're logged into Jira and you're on the main dashboard or projects page. The first thing you want to do is open the specific project where you want to hide completed work. Look for the section that lists your projects, then click on the project name to open it. This will take you into that project's main view, which might be a board view, a list, or another layout depending on how your Jira instance is configured. Give it a moment to load so all the issues and filters are visible. Once your project is open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You're looking for an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. This menu usually sits near other controls like filters, views, or settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will appear with several options related to how your issues are displayed. In that menu, you should see an option that controls whether done or completed items are shown in your current view. It might be labeled something like Hide Done Items, Hide Completed Issues, or similar, depending on your Jira configuration and updates. Next, you'll see a toggle switch next to that option. If the toggle is off, done items are currently visible. Click on the toggle to turn it on. Once you do this, Jira will automatically refresh the list or board and hide any issues that are marked as done or completed. You should notice that your view is now shorter and more focused, showing mainly the items that are still open, in progress, or otherwise active. If at any point